Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Chew noisily. The children crunched the celery sticks. Munch. Reduce to small pieces or particles by pounding or abrading. Bray, comminute, grind, mash. Make a crushing noise. His shoes were crunching on the gravel. Crackle, scranch, scrunch. Press or grind with a crushing noise. Crunch, crunch, grind. The act of crushing. Compaction, crush. A critical situation that arises because of a shortage, as a shortage of time or money or resources. An end-of-the-year crunch. The sound of something crunching. He heard the crunch of footsteps on the gravel path.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.